How to make the viral coconut ice cream. And why has it gone viral? Well, the people of Spain like to put an espresso shot in it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Plus, yes, don't say I don't give you value, how to actually break into a coconut and make it into coconut halves. First up, for the ice cream, you're going to need 400 ml of coconut milk. That's the full fat variety, along with a 200 gram block of coconut cream, 150 ml of whole milk, 120 grams of caster sugar, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of coconut extract. Also, it's nice to add in a pinch of salt. You want to gently melt this down. Do not let it burn and do not let it boil, but eventually it will all melt. Now you need to let it cool down. Overnight is best, so I pop it in a bowl, leave it for a few hours. As I say, overnight is better. Then I pop it into my Cuisinart ice cream machine for around about 45 minutes. Place it into a tub and then into your freezer. Now before you want to use it, it is best that you leave it out for about 10 minutes. Then it should be easy and scoopable. Now, to the coconut, how do you get in one? First up, you've got to drain. So you look for those 3 eyelets and then just take something like a firm rod or a screwdriver and hammer the 3 holes. You can use this lovely water to drink, so don't waste it. Pop it in a jug. Now, there is like a rim around the edge of a coconut and you're going to just tap, tap, tap. Yeah, it takes a lot of patience, trust me. But if you just tap all the way round, eventually your coconut will open up. Now there's all that lovely flesh in there. Sometimes it comes out whole, but you can break it up and then use it, grate it into things like your cereal and other dishes, but it's absolutely delicious, so don't waste it. Then with the coconut shell, you place some of the coconut ice cream in, smooth it along the sides, and then, yes, pop some espresso in. Oh my goodness. I actually didn't realise how insane this tasted, but if you want a less messier version, then just place a glass with ice, get your espresso going, pop some of the coconut ice cream in, then you pour the espresso over, then top up with your milk and stir, and as the coconut ice cream melts, you get a sweet, delicious treat. All the recipe details are in the bio.